Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you have noticed that the spinning dots or circle animation is missing when you restart or shut down your Windows 11 PC, don't worry, you are not alone. In today's video, we will walk you through a simple step that is going to fix and bring back that loading animation, and also it is called as thrower. Stay tuned and let's get your system looking smooth again. For those unfamiliar, the spinning dots animation is a visual cue that appears during a reboot or shutdown, indicating that Windows is working in the background to close programs or process tasks. When this animation doesn't show up, you are left with a blank screen, which can feel a bit unsettling. The good news is this issue is often tied to a simple animation setting in Windows 11 that we can easily tweak. Alright, let's dive into the fix. Follow these steps to restore the spinning dots animation. So first, open the settings app by pressing the window key and I together on your keyboard. So this is your gateway to tweaking Windows configurations. Once you are in settings, look at the left sidebar and click on the systems. This section houses most of the critical options for your PC's performance. Now scroll down to the right side until you see the About tab and then click it. This brings up details about your device. Next, find the Advanced Systems setting link on the right sidebar and give it a click. This will open the System Properties window, which is where we will make our changes. In the System Properties window, make sure you are on the Advanced tab. Look for the Performance section and click the Settings button. Now when you are in the Performance Options window, switch to the Visual Effects tab. Here is where the magic happens. Look for the options labeled Animate Control and Elements inside Windows and make sure its checkbox is enabled. This setting controls animation like the spinning dots. Once you have checked that box, click Apply and then OK. To save the changes, you will need to click OK again to close the System Properties window. Now that's it. The next time you restart or shut down your PC, the spinning dots animation should be back in action, giving you that visual confirmation that Windows is doing its thing. This fix is straightforward and works for most cases where the animation is disabled due to system settings. If the issue persists, it could be related to graphic drivers or deeper system configurations. So let us know in the comments and we will dive into those in a future video. And that's a wrap. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tech fixes and tutorials. Have you run into other Windows 11 quirks? Drop them in the comments below and we will cover them next. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.